Hey y'all, if you want your wig to go from this to that, just keep watching. Y'all, I caused these holes on myself. I did this entirely myself. It's just, I don't know at this point. I really don't. Okay, so first things first, you're going to need invisible thread. It needs to be invisible because you do not want it to be seen on the other side of the closure. You're also going to need a C-shaped jumbo needle to get those holes intact. Alright, cool kids. So this is my wig. It is the Tasha unit from the Key Collection. I will link her information down below. It's beautiful. As you guys can see, it's very versatile. It's a bob wig. And here are the holes that we are working with today. Okay, so after threading my needle, I am now combing the hair away from the part because I do not want any of the hairs to get stuck under the thread after I've sewn the holes. Okay, so now we are finally finished. It does not take long at all. And as you guys can see, the two holes are no longer visible. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. See you soon.